funnel. So we want to bring prospective customers to company website pages. This could also be pages within the whole internet. But let's say that what we want to do, we want to bring different segments of the market. Client A, for example, different clients. And what we do, we bring these clients through to our marketing funnel. And we have here, it's wide at the top and it gets more and more narrow. And typically at the top, we'll be bringing clients into the marketing funnel, for example, and they could be watching our videos, consuming our content, signing up for our newsletter, keeping up to date with what we do. And typically it will be free or nearly free at the top. And as we come further on down the marketing funnel, the price goes higher until we end up with, for example, in my case, one-on-one consulting, which is a higher value, higher price, personal attention. So how do we get clients into the marketing funnel? Well, we use a combination of paid search, for example. We specialize in Facebook advertising, very, very powerful. Half the planet's on Facebook. Your prospective clients are on Facebook too. We just need to know how to capture them and push them through to the company website, from the company website through to the marketing funnel. We use things like retargeting. For example, they may come to the company website, they may disappear and go somewhere else, but we can use retargeting, for example, to bring them back and push them through the marketing funnel. Social media, Twitter, blogging, videos, etc., can use to bring them there, and also organic search engine traffic could be used to bring customers through to the company websites or company pages. For example, we could set up specific company blogs. We could choose to push them to specific blogs and then through to the marketing funnel. But typically we use the company website as a center of attraction. So as we bring customers through from different methods to the company website, we would use retargeting so that we can say if they came to the website and they didn't go to our marketing funnel, we could bring them back. If they went to this stage of the marketing funnel, we could bring them back. If they went to this stage, we could look to bring them back. So it's very strategic and I'd say scientific as we look to bring customers with different methods through the marketing funnel and therefore generate higher revenues for the organization. So that's